A seller will incur costs for properly marketing their property to prospective buyers and acquiring property reports. These costs are advanced by the client directly to the broker and belong to the client. Thus, they are classified as advance costs. Advance costs are trust funds. Since they are trust funds, on receipt of an advance deposit from the client for payment of costs, the broker is to place the funds in their trust account. An advance cost sheet, also referred to as a marketing package cost sheet, acknowledges the broker's receipt of any deposits toward marketing costs. This is RPI Form 107. Further, it authorizes the broker to make disbursements from the funds as the itemized costs are incurred. The advance cost sheet is best included as part of the marketing package as an attachment to the listing agreement. When there are funds in the trust account, an accounting is to be handed to the client every calendar quarter. However, a monthly accounting by way of a printout of the client's trust account ledger creates a better business relationship, and thus a monthly accounting is recommended. When the listing terminates, the broker is to return all remaining trust funds to the client. The broker may not use trust funds to offset any fees the client may owe them, unless instructed to do so. Now, as part of this, a final accounting of the funds will be made when the listing agreement expires. Again, if any funds remain, they will be returned to the client with the final accounting. The statement of account for the trust funds includes the following information: the amount of the deposit toward advance costs, the amount of each disbursement of funds from the trust account, an itemized description of the cost obligation paid on each disbursement, the current remaining balance of the advance cost deposit, and an attached copy of any advertisements paid from the advance cost deposit. Lastly, the broker is to keep all accounting records for at least 3 years. Further, the records need to be made available to the Department of Real Estate upon request. A broker who fails to place advance cost deposits in their trust account, or who later fail to deliver proper trust account statements, is presumed guilty of embezzlement.